Hello everyone, my name is Reza Nur Safa Wulandari, and in this conversation I will be a teacher.
Hello, my name is Syahid Abdulloh, and in this occasion, I'll be students.
Hello everyone, my name is Luthfia Rima Ayu Anjani, and in this conversation, I will be a student.
Hello everyone, I'm Ayda Fitriyah. In this conversation, I will be a student.
Okay, let's start. Hello students, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, we can.
Okay, good. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
How are you?
morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm really fine.
I'm good. How about you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you for asking me. I hope you all are in a good conditions. So before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Okay, I will take the attendance first. Please say I'm here or present if I call your name. Ayda Fitriyah.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Okay. Syahid Abdulloh.
Present, ma'am.
Luthfia Rima Ayu Anjani.
I'm here, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I think everyone is here. So we can start our lesson now. Wait, let me share my screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can.
We can.
Okay, thank you. So today we are going to learn about procedure text. Before I explain about the procedure text, does anyone knows what is procedure text?
Let me, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, Aida.
Procedure text is a text that describe how something is achieved through a sequence step.
Okay, thank you, Aida. Good. Yes, you're absolutely right. So procedure text is a text that gives you instructions of how to do or how to make something through the sequence steps. And then next is the social functions or the purpose of the procedure text. The procedure text is to explain about how to make or do something with the sequence of actions or steps. And then the next is the structures of the text. Can anyone help me to read this slide? Are there any volunteers?
Let me, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, Luthfia.
Structure of the text. Goal is the purpose of making the procedure text or the final result to be achieved. And then materials, the information about the tools or materials needed. And then step or chronological orders is the method taken to achieve the goal.
Okay, thank you, Luthfia. So the structures of the procedure text, there are three. The first one is the goals. It contains the purpose of making the procedure text or the final result to be achieved. The goal is located in the title. And then the materials, it contains the information about the tools or materials needed. And then the steps or chronological orders, it contains the method taken to achieve the goal. Is it clear or any questions, students?
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay. And then the language features of the procedure text. The first one is using simple present tense. It means that we use a verb one like prepare, remove, add, and etc. And then use of conjunctions like first, second, then after that, finally, and etc. And then use imperative sentence like put, enter, insert, mix, cut, stir, and etc. And then use of adverbial phrases like for 5 minutes or 2 hours, and etc. And then next, so this is the example of the procedure text. Can you tell me the generic structures of this procedure text? Anyone?
Let me, ma'am.
Not you again, Ida. You have already had a turn. Uh, anybody still not had a turn?
I'm sorry, ma'am. May I try because I have not taken turns before this.
Okay, Syahid. Now it's your
Okay.
turn.
Try to mention the structure of the procedure text. So first is about the goal, that is how to make fried rice. Then about the step, that is 1 plate of cooked rice until finally take the first fried rice and serve on the plate. I think that's all, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Syahid. That's very good. So there are three the generic structures of this text. So the first one is the goal. The goal is located in the title, how to make fried rice, and then the materials that contains the ingredients and the tools that we need to make fried rice, and then there is a step of how to make fried rice. Okay, and then okay. So after you learn about the procedure text, now I give you a simple exercise. Uh, this is the exercise for you, and for this activity, I'd like you to work in pair. One of you will read this text, and then the other one will try to answer it. Do you get my point, student?
Yes,
Yes,
I can, but I don't have
Okay.
partner.
Sorry, Shahid.
Uh, you told us that we have to finish it by make a pair, but I don't have partner here because there are only three students.
Oh, sorry, Shahid. Can you work by yourself? Is it okay?
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Thank you. So I have a jumble sentence here, and I want you to rearrange the following sentence into a good procedure text. I give you 3 minutes to do this exercise. Uh, Sorry, students, would you excuse me for a moment because I have to go to the bathroom. Is it okay, students?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, please, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So please carry on with this exercise while I'm away, and I'll be back in a moment. All right. Have you finished, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who's going to start?
Let me and Aida, ma'am.
Okay, please go ahead, Luthfia and Ayda.
So I will read on the first on the text. How to make an avocado juice. When the avocado juice is ready to serve, pour sweetened brown milk on the edge of avocado juice. Put the ice block cut down into the glass and pour avocado juice into it. Prepare a glass to serve avocado juice. 5. And then put it to the blender. 6. Add melted sugar and water enough. 7. Remove the avocado seed and grab the flesh of fruit by scraping with a spoon. Mix them by blender with medium speed until smooth. And the last, take the avocado to split into two parts.
Okay, then the correct one is the first number number 9. Take the avocado, the split into two parts. Then after that, number 7, remove the avocado seeds and grab the flesh or fruit by scraping with a spoon. Then number 5, and then put into the blender. Then number 6, add melted sugar and water enough. Then after that, number 8, mix them by blender with medium speed until smooth. Then number 4, prepare a glass to serve avocado juice. Then number 3, put the ice block cuts down into the glass and pour avocado juice into it. Then number 2, pour sweetened brown milk on the edges of avocado juice. And the last is number 1. Then the avocado juice is ready to serve. Is
Okay,
it correct?
thank you, Ayda and Lutfi. That's a correct answers. Good job. And then wait. So the first one is take the avocado, the split into two parts, and then remove the avocado seeds and grab the flesh of fruit by scraping with a spoon, and then put into the blender, and then add sugar and water enough, and then mix them by blender with medium speed until smooth. Put the ice block cuts down into the glass and pour avocado juice into it. Pour sweetened brown milk on the edge of avocado juice, and then the avocado juice is ready to serve. Okay, thank you, Luthfia and Aida. Okay,
Thank you,
who's
ma'am.
yes? Okay, who's next? Who wants to try answer the next
Sorry,
exercise?
maybe I try, ma'am. The
Okay,
second.
go ahead, Syahid.
Okay. Uh, I'm sorry if I forced to answer it. First, how to make an envelope is we have to draw a pattern by using a ruler. No, I mean, first we have to take a sheet of paper, then put some glue on it, cut the paper, draw a pattern by using your ruler, then cut the paper and fold it, and finally press it to get a good form.
I'm sorry, Syahid. What did you say? Because I could not hear you clearly. Could you please repeat what you said?
Okay, this is how to make an envelope. First, we have to put some glue. We have to take a sheet of paper and put some glue on it. Draw a pattern by using your ruler. Cut the paper following the pattern, then fold it, and finally we have to press it to get a good form.
Uh, are you sure, Syahid? Uh, I
Sure.
think you I think you were almost right. Good try, Syahid. Thank you.
Maybe I can try one again.
Oh, yes, of course. There is no hurry. You can do better than this. Go ahead, Syahid.
Problem. Okay. Okay. This is how to make an envelope. First, take a sheet of paper and then draw a pattern by using your ruler on the paper. Then press it to get a good form. And then you have to cut the paper following the pattern that we have made on the paper. Then put some glue on it and then fold it. Then it can be an envelope.
Yes, that's fantastic, Syahid. So you did a good job there. Thank you. And your answer is correct. So the steps of how to make envelope. The first is take a sheet of paper and then draw a pattern and then cut the paper following the pattern. Then fold it, put some glue on it, and the last is press it to get a good form. Okay, thank you. Is there any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, I
Okay.
think. Okay.
Okay, if there is no question, then I will give you an assignment. So you can make a video of the procedure text about how to make something or how to operate something or how to do something, and you can upload it to YouTube, and then you can send me the link of your video through WhatsApp group. Is that clear, student?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is the conclusion. So today we have learned about procedure text from the definition and then the social functions and then the generic structures and then the material the language features. Like, so procedural text is a text that describes how something is done through a sequence of actions or steps, which consists of the goals, the materials, and the steps. And these steps use simple present tense, imperative sentence, conjunctions, and adverbial phrases. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for your participation. I hope you enjoy our lesson today and you can apply into your daily activities. Thank you. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.